Understanding fried food stands. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on fried food stands. Whether you're a foodie or just curious about English expressions, this video will provide valuable insights into this interesting phrase. Fried food stands is a phrase that might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning. Let's break it down. Fried food. This refers to any type of food cooked in oil or fat, usually resulting in a crispy texture. Examples include French fries, fried chicken, and donuts. Stands. In this context, a stand is a small, often temporary booth or stall where goods are sold, typically found in public areas like streets, fairs, or markets. In many English-speaking countries, fried food stands are a common sight, especially at outdoor events like fairs, festivals, and markets. They are known for serving quick, delicious, and often indulgent food items. This phrase can evoke images of community and festivity. Fried food stands are often associated with community events and celebrations. Indulgence and comfort. The food sold at these stands is typically considered comfort food, enjoyed for its taste rather than health benefits. There are several variations and similar expressions to be aware of. Food trucks. Mobile eateries that often serve a wider variety of foods, not just fried items. Street food vendors. This broader term includes any vendor selling food in public spaces, not limited to fried foods. Let's look at how fried food stands might be used in everyday conversation. 1. Every summer, I look forward to the fried food stands at the county fair. I can't resist their funnel cakes. 2. You'll find a variety of fried food stands along the boardwalk, each with its unique specialty. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, fried food stands, and its place in English-speaking cultures. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and context behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.